Today we are going to make aloo gajar matar ki sabzi, and these are the ingredients we'll need. 3 tablespoons of oil, 4 medium-sized carrots peeled and chopped into small pieces. Potatoes, 2 medium-sized, chopped into medium-sized pieces and kept under water. 250 grams of green peas, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 3 tomatoes chopped in small pieces, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 3 teaspoons of hara dhania or cilantro, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. We'll keep the pan on high heat, add oil and let the oil get hot. The oil is hot, we'll add in the chopped onions, and we're going to saute the onions till they are slightly pink in color and become translucent. The onions are done, add in the ginger paste and the garlic paste and saute till they are roasted as well. Let the heat remain on high. The ginger and garlic are roasted. We'll add in the chopped tomatoes and we'll cook till the tomatoes are soft and done. But for now we'll add in the spices. So we'll add in the salt, the haldi or turmeric powder, red chili powder, the coriander dhania powder and the garam masala. And we will cook the tomatoes till they are done and the masala leaves oil. The masala is done, the tomatoes are cooked, and now we'll add in the vegetables, the carrots, green peas and the potatoes. We'll not add in the water and we'll reduce the gas to low now. Stir all the vegetables thoroughly and then cover with the lid and let the vegetables cook at regular intervals. We'll lift the lid, stir the vegetables and cook them till the vegetables are soft. Remember to lower the flame to same or low and to check the vegetables every 5 or 7 minutes by lifting the lid, stirring the vegetables and checking if they are cooked or not, turned soft or not. We will keep repeating this process till the vegetables are done and checking on the vegetables every 5 or 7 minutes. The vegetables have been cooking for about 10 minutes and now we'll stir the vegetables and add about half of the or 2 teaspoons of the hara dhania or the cilantro. This is for flavor. The rest of the hara dhania or cilantro we'll keep for garnishing. Stir the vegetables and since they are not yet cooked, we'll again cover it with a lid. Not yet done, still hard. So we'll check on the vegetable once again. It's been 20 to 25 minutes in cooking. We'll stir the vegetable and then check the carrots as well as the potatoes to see if they have softened. The carrots are done, the potatoes as well. So the vegetable is cooked. We can transfer it to a serving bowl now. Yes, the carrots have softened. So here is our dish of the day, aloo, matar and gajar ki sabzi. Transfer it to a serving bowl and garnish it with the rest of the cilantro or the hara dhania. So here's the dish of the day. Do try, it's a very easy dish to prepare, a very delicious one to have. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice day.